came for our sake. Your hands were tied, but your heart stayed strong. Even when this life kept doing you wrong, you gave me your last while you went without. Still somehow turned fear into hope and doubt. Now every scar upon your soul I see. Mama, you gave your whole life for me. Mother's love, never asked for anything. Even through the hate, you gave me everything. When the world turned cold and I lost my way, your prayers brought me back again. And if I live 1,000 lives someday, I can never repay a mother's love this way. I was too young to understand your tears. The silent battles you carried for years. Smiling through the heartbreak, hiding all the pain. Trying to protect us while standing in the rain. Now I see the angel God placed in my life. A woman full of strength, sacrifice and light. And every road I walk, every breath I take, was built from all the sacrifices you made. Mother's love, never asked for anything. Even through the hurt, you gave me everything. When the world turned cold and I lost my way, your prayers brought me back again. And if I live 1,000 lives someday, I can never repay a mother love this way. One day your head turned silver from the stress. So you gave us more while you had less. And I wish I could go back just to say thank you for the nights you cried and prayed. If heaven never calls you home too soon, a part of me will leave this world with you. Your love will forever guide my soul, because a mother's love never lets go.
Yeah, mama, you the realest love I ever knew. Even when the world changed, you stay true. You held the family together through the storm, turned an empty house into a loving home.
I see the pain deep in your eyes. See, you told us everything will be alright. Now we're moving and the truth finally hits. You sacrifice your dreams just to raise your kids.